Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll begin by verifying essentials and launching the update flow. Open Anaconda prompt now and run Conda version so you know your base state. Once done, check Jupyter version to see if the notebook package needs updating. Make sure you're in the correct environment. Activate the environment name with Conda activate env name. This prevents accidental changes to base. Finally, update Conda first so subsequent package installs use the latest resolver and avoid dependency conflicts. Now execute the update commands in sequence. Start with Conda update Conda to refresh the package manager because dependency resolution improves afterward. Then run Conda update all to align environment packages. If you prefer the Conda Forge build, install or update the notebook package with Conda install C Conda Forge notebook to get newer builds. If you also manage some packages with pip, run pip install upgrade Jupyter in that environment. Make sure to read prompts and confirm package downgrades before proceeding. Finish by restarting the Jupyter server, your kernel, and browser to load updated code and extensions. Then run Jupyter Notebook version to confirm success. If you see extension or import errors, disable third-party extensions temporarily and retest. Sometimes outdated extensions break a newer notebook. If the environment is severely broken, create a fresh environment with Conda, create n-new-env python equals 3x and reinstall notebook there, which isolates problems. As a key troubleshooting tip, check Conda list and review conflicting package messages before rolling back.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.